Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 growth stocks that are currently undervalued. We're talking about companies with massive potential that the market hasn't fully priced in yet. If you're looking to make smart investment choices for the long haul, you won't want to miss this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, and this is simply my opinion based on my own research and due diligence. You should always do your own research before investing in anything. With that being said, let's get right into it. First up, we have Tesla. Now I know what you might be thinking, Tesla, really? It's already had a massive run-up. And you'd be right, Tesla's stock has skyrocketed in recent years. But even with that growth, I still believe it's undervalued. Why? Because they're absolutely dominating the electric vehicle market. They're not just building cars, they're building an entire ecosystem around sustainable energy, from their supercharger network to their solar roof tiles. The demand for their cars is through the roof. They're ramping up production at an incredible pace and they're constantly innovating. We're talking self-driving technology, battery advancements, and even plans for a robotaxi network in the future. This isn't just a car company, it's a tech giant in the making, and that's why I think Tesla still has room to grow. Next, we have the e-commerce behemoth itself, Amazon. It's no secret that Amazon has been a dominant force in online retail for years, but their recent performance and future growth potential are what makes them truly exciting. Their cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services (AWS), is a cash cow, generating massive profits and powering businesses around the world. And let's not forget about their other ventures like Prime Video, Alexa, and their growing presence in healthcare. Amazon is a company that never sits still. They're constantly innovating and expanding into new markets, which makes them a compelling long-term investment. Moving on to another tech titan, Apple. What sets Apple apart is their incredible brand loyalty and their ability to create a seamless ecosystem of products. iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watch, AirPods, they all work together flawlessly, keeping consumers locked into their ecosystem. And let's not forget about their growing services revenue. From the App Store to Apple Music and Apple Pay, this recurring revenue stream is like a gold mine for Apple, generating billions of dollars every quarter. They have a massive cash hoard, a loyal customer base, and a knack for innovation. Apple is a classic example of a stock that might seem expensive on the surface, but when you consider their ecosystem and future potential, they're actually undervalued. Now let's talk about Microsoft. They've completely transformed themselves from a software company to a cloud computing powerhouse. Their Azure cloud platform is giving Amazon a run for its money, and they're constantly expanding their cloud offerings. Plus, they're making big moves in gaming with Xbox and their acquisition of Activision Blizzard, solidifying their position in the rapidly growing gaming industry. But here's the kicker. Microsoft also has a strong dividend track record, meaning they actually pay you to own their stock. They're a company that's firing on all cylinders. Cloud computing, gaming, software, and dividends. What's not to like? Next up, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. When you think of Google, you probably think of search, and rightfully so, they absolutely dominate the search market. But Alphabet is so much more than just Google search. They have YouTube, the world's largest video platform, Android, the most popular mobile operating system, and Waymo, their self-driving car subsidiary, which is making incredible strides in the autonomous vehicle space. We're talking about a company with a ridiculous amount of data, cutting-edge technology, and a diverse portfolio of businesses that are all growing rapidly. Alphabet is a long-term bet on the future of technology, and I believe they're significantly undervalued at their current price. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Facebook, or should I say Meta. I know, Facebook has been getting a lot of flack lately and their stock has taken a hit. But here's the thing, they still have over 3 billion monthly active users across their platforms. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, that's almost half the planet. And while their pivot to the metaverse might seem risky, it also has the potential to be incredibly lucrative. Think about it, they're trying to build the next iteration of the internet, a virtual world where people can connect, work, and play. It's a long shot, but if anyone can pull it off, it's Meta. Moving on to a company that's been absolutely crushing it, NVIDIA. They're the leading manufacturer of graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are essential for everything from gaming to artificial intelligence to data centers. And with the rise of AI, the demand for their chips is only going to increase. They're also making waves in the metaverse with their Omniverse platform, which allows developers to create and connect virtual worlds. NVIDIA is a company at the forefront of technological innovation, and their financial health and stability are rock solid. Now let's talk about the streaming giant Netflix. They revolutionized the way we consume entertainment, and while competition in the streaming wars is heating up, Netflix is still the top dog. They have a global subscriber base, a massive library of content, and they're investing heavily in original programming. And let's not forget about the international market where Netflix still has a huge runway for growth. While subscriber growth has slowed down recently, I believe Netflix will continue to be a dominant force in the entertainment industry for years to come. Next up, we have Shopify, the e-commerce platform that's empowering businesses of all sizes to sell online. They've been called the anti-Amazon because they provide businesses with the tools they need to build their own online stores and compete in the digital marketplace. And with the rise of e-commerce, Shopify is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. However, it's important to note that competition in the e-commerce space is fierce, and Shopify faces challenges from larger players like Amazon and even Square. But despite these challenges, I believe Shopify's strong brand, loyal customer base, and innovative platform give them a competitive edge. Finally, we have Square, the financial technology company that's disrupting traditional payment processing and revolutionizing the way businesses handle their finances. From their iconic Square card readers to their Cash App, Square is making it easier than ever for businesses and individuals to manage their money. They're also expanding into new areas like business loans, payroll services, and even Bitcoin trading through Cash App. Square is a company that's constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the fintech space, which is why they've earned a spot on this list. So there you have it, my top 10 undervalued growth stocks to buy now. Remember, these are just my own opinions based on my research, and it's crucial that you do your own due diligence before investing in anything. The stock market can be volatile, and past performance is not indicative of future results. But by investing in companies with strong fundamentals, solid growth potential, and a competitive edge, you can increase your chances of success in the market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more investment tips and stock market insights. See you in the next video.